Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here, the Cooking with Jack show. Today's episode brought to you by ButcherBox. That's right, it's exactly what you think. A meat subscription box. I am so excited because I like meat. They supply meat. We came together and they're sponsoring today's episode. ButcherBox is all clean meat. Okay, it's organic, it's hormone free. The chickens are free range. They're grass fed beef. All that good stuff. So you know when you're buying your meat from ButcherBox that everything's clean. And it comes out to about $6 a meal. You can go to their website right now and sign up for free bacon for life. That's right, they're doing bacon for life contest giveaway. I don't even know how that works, but I got a link down below. Come in close. Let me show you what came in my box today. Okay, so I've got ground beef and ground beef right here. This is pork tenderloin. There you go. I've got two beautiful pork chops. I don't even know what this is. What is this? This is New York strip steak, thick cut. Look how thick that is. Is that crazy? What's this one? Grass-fed beef tri-tip. Ooh, tri-tip. You can't get tri-tip at the butcher out here in Tennessee. Back in California, everybody ate tri-tip. What's this one? Another tri-tip? Yep. Oh no, another top sirloin. Grass-fed beef top sirloin. These are the two ribeyes. Look how beautiful that is. I defrosted those already. There's two of them. We're going to be cooking those. And I got some bacon. We're going to be using that. I don't know if I'm going to wrap it or... I got to get creative with this bacon. That bacon's being eaten with this steak. I just don't know how yet. And that's it. So that's one example. Oh, and the chicken fryer, or fryer chicken, what do you want to call it? Once again, it's free range. This is going to be in a future episode, so be looking for this little boy on the grill. All right, let's get started, guys. So the word Galbi is Korean for ribs, and this is a marinade that you would do, you know, the Korean ribs with the little circular bones in it. This is the marinade you would do for Galbi. We've got honey, garlic, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, white onion, ginger, a pear, cooking sherry, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and brown sugar. So first we're going to put in the big pieces. It's going to be the onions, the garlic, the pear, and the ginger. It's going to go in first. We're going to break that down. Now we're going to add everything else. Soy sauce. A little cooking sherry. And some sesame seed oil. Some black pepper. A little bit of red pepper flakes. Brown sugar. And now you're just going to blend it all together. You're going to pour about half in on the steaks. There you go. That's your ribeye steaks. And now your bacon. I told you bacon's getting into this video. I just don't know how yet. I'm going to pour the rest of my marinade on the 2 pounds of bacon I had defrosted. You will see these two bad boys together tomorrow. La-da-da-da-da. See you tomorrow. I was going to make bacon wrapped asparagus, but when I got to the store, the asparagus was like super tiny, thin. What happened to asparagus? Remember when asparagus would be like round and thick and long, and now they're measly, they're sickly looking. All of our produce looks like crap. I remember these zucchinis. Look how small that zucchini is. Look, it looks like a pickle. Remember when zucchinis were like this big? They were like this, seriously. So I'm going to take one of these to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to literally wrap the whole thing in bacon. There. Not the prettiest looking thing, but I'm telling you, when that's cooked, you're going to want to be all up in that. If I'm cooking on the grill for like under an hour, I don't bother with smoking. I don't bother with doing charcoal or any of that stuff. I'm just going to put on the gas grill. All right, we're all out here. We're all ready. This thing's raging hot. Here. There we go. Get our other steak on. Nice. Bacon wrapped. Put those on the grill. So everything's looking good. Steak's looking delicious. They're about done. Gonna get the bacon a little bit crispier, shriveling up. Loving it. So the zucchini turned out pretty good. Some didn't do as well as others. Others turned out beautifully, and I got a few pieces here in case a vegetarian friend comes by. Even though it's been laying on the bacon, they probably won't touch it. But you never know. There it is. Grilled Galbi steak and grilled bacon wrapped zucchini. My mouth is watering right now. Just gonna cut right into the middle. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. A little bit of pink, cooked more on the outside. Butcher Box, this meat looks amazing. And I just got an email from the people over at butcherbox.com, and they gave me a link down below. It looks like you guys get $10 off your first box and the option for bacon for life. So go on over there after you're done watching me eat this and check it out. But I mean, finally, a meat company that delivers. A lot of the other meat companies don't do this. They send you like beef jerky and dried goods and stuff. This is real steak. Gotta get my bacon on. Hold on. All right, it's lunchtime for me. In the meantime, guys, go visit ButcherBox, show them some love, try them out, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.